Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. For this tutorial, I will use the app DSers, DSers, and also I will recommend you to create an account on DSers first and also create an account on AliExpress because it will save you a lot of time. When I will move through you to the steps in this video, you will realize that creating an account will save you a lot of minutes. Okay. So I've already created an account on DSers. I will just try to log in. And the creating account is very simple. There's no complexity involved. So it has automatically logged into my account. So I've already created. I have already created an account on AliExpress. So I think it's not necessary to explain you how you can create an account on AliExpress. It's as simple as that. You can use your Google account as well. So what you have to do once you log into the DSers app, it will show you. If you haven't connected your Shopify store, it will show you this window. Select your platform. You can connect it with TikTok. You can connect it with DSers or Squarespace. You can connect it with Magento, Wix, WooCommerce. So I will select Shopify. After I select Shopify, it will redirect me to the app store of Shopify. And from here, I will click on install. So make sure to install the app which has like 31,000 plus rating. Okay. So don't install any duplicate app if you see. Okay. So it is taking some time. I'll click on install now. Once I click on install, it will give me the option to bind my AliExpress account if I haven't connected it before. So as I have already created an account on AliExpress and I have already binded it, so it is not showing me the option. So I will click on confirm because it is showing me that you want to use a currently DSers account or you want to change account. I want to use the same account. So now if you haven't connected AliExpress with it, it will give you the option to connect the AliExpress. Otherwise, if the AliExpress is already connected, it will show you this dashboard. So this is the dashboard of this, and it's very simple. It just works like Uberlo. Uberlo is depreciated, but it works same like this. As you can see, it is working. It has a very simple layout, and if you don't see this layout, don't worry, you just have to open AliExpress in new tab. You have to log in to your AliExpress account, and then you have to just connect it. The connection is simple and automatic. So I don't have to explain that step just to save the time. Okay, so once you log into this window and once you log into the account and you see this window, you just have to go to settings. I will show you some settings which are really important. So you just have to go to like you just have to go to general setting, and then I'm just sorry, I just got confused with settings. I just got it mixed. So you just have to click on sales channel setting and then click on pricing and currencies. We actually want to automate the prices. So once you import the products, you don't have to manually set the price again and again like you do in Ubuntu. You can just do the settings here, and then it will automatically multiply the prices. For example, if the product on AliExpress is of $2, if you just add the rule that multiply it by 300%, it will automatically make the price by $6. Okay. So this is the store currency USD pricing rule. You have to check it. Pricing rule is checked in, and after checked in, the product cost is a multi. So any amount that we set will be a multiple of that amount. Like for example, if the product price is $2 and I click on multiply by 200%, it means that I import any product, it will be like $4. Okay, so it will multiply 200%. So you can also set your custom compare that pricing rule. So you just select it and it will be shown like this. Compare at pricing is currently higher than the original price, so I will make the comparative price like 400% because I want to make maximum profit, because I have to cover marketing and all other stuff. I will click on save. So this is the important setting. And regarding the shipping setting, the supply management, it's optional. You can do it later on, okay, you can do it now, but the most important setting was the pricing, so I done it now. So I will go back, and there are two methods to import the products to your store. Like if you click on find products, and you can automatically click on any product like kids toys. For instance, I will take the example of this one. If you click on kids toys and click on search, it will show you all the kids toys products just like AliExpress. So this is the product. For example, I just have to click on this one. This is the supply optimization tab. This is the for the add to import list, and this is like the supplier optimization. Supplier optimization is not that helpful. I have tested it multiple times. It means if you select this product, it will suggest you the best suppliers based on it. So it is not necessary to discuss for now, and I haven't found it useful for as yet. The other method I will discuss it how you can find the best supplier. This is the first method of how you can import the products from this. So you just have to click on add to import list. If you want to add this product, you can click on add to import list. If you want to add this, for example, if I want to add this product, I will click on add to import list. So it will be imported to our list. Okay, so check. You will click on check, and it will show you all the import list, the products that you have imported to your DSers dashboard. So from there you can push the products to your store. That's it. That's how you can push the AliExpress products to your Shopify. So that's so simple. Okay, so we just pushed that imported this product, and if I want to push it to Shopify, I will click on this one, but I want to edit it a bit. So I will click on this pencil icon, and I want to edit the title because it's too big and I don't want it something non-professional like this, and I can just change the length, width, height. I can edit to any collection I want, Shopify collection. I can edit to any type I want. So I can set all the things from here, or I can set it later on. So you can select or deselect any variants. If you don't want all the variants, you can deselect any variant, but I will go with all the variants. You can add the description from here. I will not write the description because I will write it later on. You can select or deselect any image you want, and from the shipping info is really important. So what shipping you want to search? Ship to United States. Okay, United States. Okay, so let's select one of the sample states. So I will select like Alabama, or I will again select like New York. Just you can change later on. Once you receive the order from New York or Alabama, you can change it later on, and you can see select the city, like select the city Akron. It will show us the shipping cost and the estimated delivery time. So the delivery time is good. Okay, so you can also it doesn't have the option to select the shipping company. Otherwise, for some products you have the option. Okay, so I will click on save. So I selected all the details, and now I can push it to my Shopify store without any hassle. Click on push to store, and then push to stores, and as you will see that it has been pushed to our Shopify account. I will show you also how it is done, but this is not my recommended method. I will tell you what is the best recommended method for the research. So you just have to go to products now, and then you will see that the product has been imported successfully. So this is how it's simple. My recommended method is that you install the DSers Chrome extension, which is really helpful, and it allows you to select the suppliers. You can check the suppliers information. You can select the certificates all through AliExpress, but it is not accessible in the DSers app itself. Although it is, the things are done, you can import the products, but the recommended method is that you install the DSers Chrome extension. This is the Chrome extension. I will leave the link in the comments below. So this is the Chrome extension. I have already added to Chrome. This is aliexpress.com product importer. So how this works, for example, you select kids toys, you type kids toys in AliExpress, and then you sort the orders because you have a lot of options now. So you sort the products by orders, and I will import the product which has the most orders. So these has the 50,000 plus sold, very nice, and this is 4.9 rating, 50,000 plus sold. So this is something I like. This product is similar for what I was looking into. So I will click on this product. So no, sorry, this is a bundle deal. I don't want a bundle deal. I will select this one. I normally avoid the bundle deal because I just want to deal with a single product. This is something we can learn in product hunting tutorial some other day. So as you can see, I have already selected ship to United States just to confirm the shipping time. So the delivery is 21 to 26 March. Today is 15 March. So delivery time is good. And I can also see the supplier rating and all other stuff. So the description is already there. You can see the specification. These things you can't see in the DSers app. So that's why I recommend this method. So if you scroll down, you will see the supplier, the boutique plus toy store. You can also check the supplier whether it's legit or not, and you can check the certificates. You can communicate with them. So it's really easier to do all the process in the AliExpress. Okay, so please try to verify. Let me pause the video and try to. So it takes some time for verification. As you can see, the supplier certificates have also been shown. If it's not shown in the video, I guess the screen recording has been paused here. Okay, so you can check the supplier, all of the stuff. It's easy to do in AliExpress. So once you selected this product, you like the reviews, you are happy with all other stuff. You have to click on add to DSers. That's how this is the process is similar. You have to it has added into import list, and then you can push it to store. For example, if I select any other product, I will avoid the $express because it's like a deal. For example, if I want to add this product, so I like the shipping time. I can change the shipping country to check everything, and I can see the policies. I can see whether it's a legit store by going to the supplier and all of the stuff. As you can see, explanation of the supplier is there. You can read the description. If you click on this one, you will see the certificate. Sometimes the certificate is not shown in the screen recording, but to check the legitimacy, make sure to check the certificate of the supplier and make sure to communicate with the supplier first to make sure that it's a legit supplier and he or she will deliver the products on time for your customers. So I will also add to DSers and it will be added to the import list. So this product also has been added to the our import list. If you click on DSers again, and then so this product is already pushed to our store. So we will push the remaining two products in the store as well. We will just refresh this list, and the process is similar. So I think I don't have to explain it how you can push it to your store. You can edit it there. You can edit the variants from here, and then you can push it, or you can edit the products later on in your store. So you can see the products has been imported. So one thing I want to show you, so original product price is like I want to show, so it has automatically adjusted the price. Once we push the products to store, it will automatically multiply by the rule we implement in the settings. So like it will multiply by 200%, and it will add the it will also multiply the compare at price according to the rule we set in the settings. So for example, if I like add all the things and I want to push it to my Shopify store, I will edit it later on. So I just have to click on push to store and then push to stores. So it will automatically now be added to my Shopify store. So it has been added. Let's check to our Shopify account. And now let's see whether it has been added to our Shopify account or not. As you can see, it has been added, but very weird product title and very non-professional. I can edit it later on, but I hope the things are clear to you how you can import the products from AliExpress to Shopify through DSers app, and I hope the things are clear. It has a very lengthy explanation how you can edit the more settings, but I think it is not necessary for now. If you have any query, please let me know. Thank you very much.